Thank you for seeing this video. As a quick reminder, please subscribe for more updates. Hi, today I am going to be making rubber band bracelets with a kit. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a round fishtail bracelet. This is the kit I am using. So here I have a green loom, and I'm going to be using this looming needle to start making this bracelet called a round fishtail. So here I'm using my loom, and I'm going to take a rubber band, purple, but you can pick whichever color you want. It's your wish. And then I'm going to twist it, and I'm going to put this on the opposite two sides. Another one, twist it and put it over here, and it forms this type of shape, like an X, but it has two teenier X's. Another color, but this time I will not be twisting it. I will not be forming an X. I'll just put it like it is, stretch it instead of doing this, and place it over here. Now I will be taking a blue rubber band this time, and I will be putting it not an X again. I will just put it like this. So you don't need to put any more X-shaped rubber bands like this anymore, just the first time you do it. So I'm going to do it like this. Now I will take my loom with the hook, and then I will be lifting up the bottom band that has an X, and then I will be putting it here, and then I will do it for all the four sides on all four pegs. So here. And now I will be placing another rubber band. This time I will be using black. So I will place it, not twist it again, and then I will put another black rubber band here, and then I'll take the loom and hook all four sides above the rubber band. See, like this. So then I'll push it down, and then I'll take a new color, but I'll keep on doing this step again till this bracelet is as long as I want it to be. So far, here is my bracelet here. And it shows this kind of M shape. Here, see, this black one. So that's how yours is supposed to look like. Here's a little more of how I'm doing it. So now I have my bracelet ready. Over here, I still have two more rubber bands on top of each hook. So what I'm going to do is I will take this hook and I will pick this up like this. I will go inside these two rubber bands, and I'll pick it up and slide it onto this hook. And then I will do the same for all of the other parts, like this. You could also do it with your hand. You can hold it, and you can pick it up, slide it onto your finger, and then doing it again. And then at last take the hook and then slide it through your finger, lift it up and here. So now I will be taking a white rubber band, you can pick any color, and I am going to be sliding it through this rubber band here, like this, and then I will be doing a slip knot. If you don't know what a slip knot is, I will be showing you how to knot it. So I will be taking this onto this rubber band onto both fingers, and then I will lift it up, and then I will slide this rubber band into the other side, and then I'll take the one over here, and then I will pull it, and now I have created a slip knot, and then I will slide this off the hook, and I will do the other side, which is the same, but you need to make sure you collect all of the rubber bands together while you do it. Now I will take this S-clip, which is shaped like this, and I'll put this on the table better. And I will be putting this between two fingers, or I can put it between one of the white rubber bands. I will take this S-clip and I will attach one side to this. So now I can pick this up, and then I'll do the same thing for the other one. I will take this S-clip, I will attach it to this. So here is my bracelet I just made, and here is the sample. That is how to make a round fishtail bracelet with rubber band.